People and they consume, they want to invest but don't know other options other than bank on which they can easily trust and invest. They watch on media how a person buy a stock and become one of the well-known investors. How a stock after few months become trending news. So they decide to know the market, which that is not known by the one of the top investors. But those investors daily try to know the market. Therefore they are successful in this market. This market can make any roadside person into a luxurious person and luxurious person into roadside person. So point of this video is to give you 5 points which help you to build your base and to increase your interest in this market. Start your investing journey as early as possible because Warren Buffett, who is at the top in today's time, focuses on starting your journey as early as possible. If you have low funds, it doesn't matter because who knows, in long term those funds will multiply that no one think about. Invest in yourself. Warren Buffett, Charles Munger, Benjamin Graham, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, they all are at the top in investing world. And one thing in common in all of them is they believe in increasing their knowledge, improving their skills. Investing in yourself is the top investment which provides you rate of return which is not given by any of the asset class which you can think about. If you have no knowledge about the stock market and you invest in it, then congratulations, you are in the team of gamblers. And make your mindset of losing all the money you invest. Invest for long term. There are two types of investors. First are traders who invest for short term and they doesn't see which stock they took. They only watch how graph is moving, whether it's a stock of profit earning or loss making company. And others are real investors according to me, who invest for long term and they invest in companies not in stock. They does not see how cheap the price is. They only see how much potential that company keeps to become one of the top companies in their sector. Then they invest their lump sum amount or amount in installments. By creating SIPs, they invest their amount in continuous basis on that company. And then in long term that company gives you return which maybe you cannot earn by doing trading. If you watch any interview of top investors, you can commonly see they all focuses on long term investing. So long term investing is not a joke, it's a key of your dream life. I want to tell you a story of a person whose name is Kriker. Kriker belongs to India. Kriker started investing in stock market. He buy a stock. For those who are not familiar with the Indian stock market, there are two companies whose name are Vodafone and Reliance. They both are listed in the market. But Kriker buys a stock of Vodafone in 2015 when its stock price is around 80 and he think to invest for long term. So he hold that stock for 6 years. But after 6 years, in 2022, he gone in serious depression and his another friend who also invest in market asked him about his situation. Then he told him all about that sale. Then his friend asked which mobile SIM are you using. He said Jio, which is the product of Reliance. So his friend understand where is the problem. The problem is that, like Kriker, we all invest in companies which we don't use, which 50-50 results in profit or loss. So the whole point is we should have to invest in companies which we use, and we also have to invest in companies which we don't use but according to our risk appetite. Focus. When you choose any company to buy its ownership, you should have to follow 3 points which you have to check about that company in annual report or from wherever you know about that company. First point is what the business is all about. If you don't know about business and you still invest, then result will be 50-50. Second is what they do to survive and grow in the competition. Third is how they make money. This is important. If you don't know about its ways of earning, then maybe your company will be suffer loss in future and you don't know nothing about. Now focus on a story of a Kriker. One day Kriker is scrolling Instagram. After so much scrolling, he saw a reel in which an creator is talking about a penny stock which will become multi-bagger in coming future. So Kriker convinced with him and invest his half monthly salary into it. But after few weeks, Kriker checked the price of the stock and after that he was hospitalized. So you can imagine what happens to him. The whole point is that we should never invest our money on tips, even if it is given by any top investors. Because if the prediction of top investor gone wrong, then he can handle the loss. But for the common man, it's a big deal. Let's now summarize.